Alright, so here's my 2011 Renegade. No problems, always started, you know, had it sitting for 2 weeks, fired right up, drove it around, like up to the house. It's about, I don't know, maybe 100 yards. Shut it off, slept, went to go up hunting in the morning, take it down, turn the key in, nothing. And now this is all kind of hit or miss. Like you can hear a little noise. I don't know if the phone's picking it up or not. But then you go to hit the switch. See how it says E there? Nothing. It's in neutral. Now it just come up failure. Neutral. Hit the start button. E. Before, sometimes it'll start, sometimes it won't. E again. E. E. So I'm not going to hit it, I'm just going to let it sit. E. Just not even touching nothing. I'm going to try to hit communication failure. All I did when the camera was off was took the seat off, and you know the shroud around here. And I was taking the shroud around, stuff wiggled around, the gauge moved around a little bit. See, now it's doing something different. Now when I click, it's hitting the starter solenoid back there. Hear it. So now it's doing something totally different. Now though, I got power. If you notice before, this light wasn't lit up. It's for my, you know, my extra lights on the front. So that wasn't working before. Or my rock lights, now those turn on. So definitely, I'm thinking there's a broken wire possibly somewhere, or a connection error. So I'm gonna pull. Try to get this thing off somewhat, you know. Snorkels make that a lot more pain in the ass to get the cover off, but I'll take that off, kind of see what's going on, and get back at the camera. Well, I figured it out. So you guys seen all the issues. I started on this morning again, and everything was black. I had like nothing, like the battery was dead. What it turned out to be was the battery ground. It's hard to see, but that battery ground back there was just barely loose. So it must have been like some mud got in between, so I took them out, cleaned both of them. And now, you hit the key, everything comes up. One little ground barely being loose can cause crazy amount of stuff. Alright, now that I got everything off, I'm just gonna clean it up a little better, fix some stuff.